Hello, this is again my video about my CV, about my experience in Schneider Designer when I worked on the Moscow residential complex. This is again just to quickly remind you, if you haven't seen part 1, that's the main house, and that's the sports center, and that's the house number 2, and that's the security block. Okay, I'll carry on now with the next part. Okay, these are more drawings of the main house showing solid void, and there is another section showing the link of the bridge to the leisure center, and that's the main house. Here is some of the interior. As we said, we used Frank Lloyd Wright and Mies van der Rohe as a reference in this project, which the client liked. We played a lot with planes, and as you can see, the color, the copper, which going to be going. The copper here will be green after a while, which will be in harmony with the forest. And here again you can see the planes, how they going up step by step, different elevations, and playing with again other bits and pieces. That's the interior here. Again, this 3D Studio Max was outsourced to our branch in Argentina. Right, that's another section showing the V-ray and mental ray views, and another view at night of the main house. Now I'll move to the leisure center. Right, so this part is the sports center, where the tennis court and the swimming pool and all the physical activities are here. As I said, the house is somewhere in this area, and then Oleg Deripaska can walk on the bridge and come to the leisure center and the sports center and enjoy all these activities, the gym, the pool, the tennis. And here are some views of it, as you can see, floating elements. That's a view of the swimming pool on top of the car park. As you can see, sort of spaces for 10-20 cars easily under the swimming pool, and some natural light coming from the top into the pool. Bit of green issues, and that's the basketball and tennis court. And here are some of the interiors, which I hope that they will be clear. Right, more sections of the sports center. As you can see, minimalist, less is more. This is what Mies van der Rohe used to say. Still working, and many clients still like it. Still popular. That's another section of the sports center, and on this side next to it is the main house. As you can see, different views. I'll move it up to show you all the sections, and that's another view of the pool, and that's the sports center from the outside. That's another elevation of the sports center, front and back. That's side elevation, longitudinal elevation, as you can see. Tado Ando also, we used him in our reference because we liked his work and we thought that is suitable to that forest to show some contrast while we're playing with planes. So we cannot deny that Tado Ando has influenced us in this project. We liked his work, and just quickly show you here. Some of the CAD drawings that we did. So we sorted all this out and manually we drew it also, and then we sent it to Argentina to add the 3D Max touches, because it's much cheaper for us. So as you can see, all the design was done here in London in our office in Schneider Designer and approved by the client, and then for the final presentation we send the drawings or the project to Argentina, because they work while we are sleeping here. At night they can work because they start their day there, and that's how our office can work 24 hours, which was a very good way of producing a lot of drawings. We were just 5 people in London, so we had another 5 people there in Argentina, and that's how we managed to produce this project and for Sir Elton John and other wealthy clients. And thank you for listening and watching my CV. Bye for now.